Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at uh, areas of plane shapes, questions to it, and I will have about 10 questions here. So the first question we have there is area. You have to find the area of the shape. Then you assume that all the units are in centimeters. So this is going to give us that is this is what shape is this one? This is a rectangle. It's a rectangle. An area of rectangle is length times what? Breadth. So this is the length and this is the breadth. So which means is equal to 8 times 3, which will give us what? 24 centimeters squared. So that is the last option here. The next question, area of triangle is half. So for question 2, we have this is a triangle. We want to find the area of triangle here. And first thing, area of triangle is half base times height. That's area of triangle. So that means that we're going to have the base. 9 is the base, and the height is what? Is 3. So that means 1 over 2 times 9 times 3. Alright. So this will give us 27 over 2, and that will lead to 13.5 centimeters squared. So that's the option here. Question 3. Question 3 is a trapezium. Let me find the area of trapezium. So, and formula for calculating area of trapezium is half into A plus B, then multiply by H. So this is A and this is B. So that will lead us to 1 over 2 into A, that is 30, plus B, which is 56, then multiply by the height. The height is this one. This is the height times 12. Alright, so 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So when you add these together, that will give 86, then times 6. So 86 times 6, so we calculate 86 times 6. 86 times 6, so that gives us 516. So that's option A, millimeter square. So it's a millimeter cube square. Then question 4 is on circle. So find the area of the circle in meters. So area of circle is pi r squared. So since you are not given the value to use for pi, you can use 20 over 7. So this is going to be 22 over 7 times r. This is r, that is 3 squared. So this will give us 22 times 9 divided by 7. Alright? So 22 multiplied by 9, multiplied by 9 divided by 7 gives us 28.3. That gives 28.3 meters squared. 28.3 meters squared. Then question 5, this parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, as I've discussed, is base times height. Area of parallelogram is equal to what? Base times what? Height. So what's the base in this case? The base is 6 and the height is 3. So when you multiply it, it will give you what? 18 centimeters squared. So that is this option. So let's move to the next one. So question 6. Question 6. A painting measures 40 centimeters by 35 centimeters. So how many squared centimeters does its surface cover. So that's, so you can see they ask you squared centimeter, that is area. They ask me for the area. So in that case, since it's measured 40 by 35, that is a rectangle. So that means the area covered is equal to what? 40 multiplied by what? 35. So when you multiply 40 by 35, that gives you around 4. 40, 40 times 35. So that is equal to 1,400 centimeters squared, which is option B. Then question 7. So question 7, this is an area of composite shape. So what you're going to notice here is that this side, if you cut it, let's cut it this way. Alright. So we have 3 rectangles. This is the first one, second one, third one. The first one and the third one, they are the same. So if you get the 1, just multiply by 2. Then this one. So what is the dimension of the first one here? Now, you notice that from here to this place is 12. Then from here to this place is 2. So when you remove 2 from 12, you get 10. And mind you, this side is equal to this side. That means that 10 will be divided by 2. That will give us what? 5, 5. Alright? 5, 5. So in that case, the dimension of this one will then be 5 times 15. Why the dimension of this one be what? 8 times 2. This one too, 5 times what? 15. So, so 5 times 15, that gives 75. So this is 75, 75. So this one is 16. So that means we have 150 plus 16. So that gives us 166 meter squared. So that gives us the answer, and that is option B as well. I believe this is very clear to you. Alright, so we'll move to the next one. Question 8. So this is area of composite shape again. So let's have to calculate this. Alright, so if you look at this, it has been divided for us already. So we have, this is the first one. Let's say A, this is B, and this is C. A is a rectangle, which is length times breadth. So the length is 4 times the breadth here is 3. Alright, this one, the C part is also, this is 3 by 2. That is 3 times 2. Then this is a triangle, which is half base times height. So that is half times the base is 2. Why the height here is 3? So because this 3 is equal to this base, and that is 3. So this cancels it, that's 3. So this one will give us 12, and this gives us what? 6. So 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. That is 12. The area, excuse me. So the area now, area will then be 12 plus 6, then plus 3. So this gives us 21 centimeters squared. So you can see this is very simple. Just take your time to study it very well. Now question 9 here. For question 9, what we have there, we have you have to find the area of the shaded portion. Alright? So we have 2 triangles there. So that means we are going to remove, we are removing this one from the bigger one. So the area of triangle, which is half base times height. So the base, let's use big one as capital H, minus half base times height. That is half. The base of the big one is 15, and its height is what? 10. Minus half, minus half times the base of this one is times 12 times 5, which is the height. I hope this is clear. So 2 can go here 1, 2 can go here 5. So that is 15 times 75. This is 75. Alright, so this is 75 minus 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So 6 times 5, that is 30. When you subtract it, you get what? 45 centimeters squared. So that is this option here. So the last question we have here is also composite shape. So find the area of the shape below. So we want to find this area. So let's divide it. So it depends on how you want to divide. Let's divide it this way. So that we have three shapes. This is a 1, 2, and 3. So dimension of this one will be what? 10 times 3. Alright? Why this one will be what? 1.5 times 2.5. Why this one will be what? 2.4, 2 times what? 1.5. So the total area will then be equals to 30 plus 2.5 times 2 times 1.5, that gives 3, plus 1.5 times 2.5, that gives 3.75. So let's add everything together. So this gives 36.75 centimeters square. So that is this option here. I hope this is very clear. So that is that for this correction. So we're going to meet in our next class. So bye for now.